chicken croquettes. So delicious. Let's make 2 tablespoons oil, 1 medium chopped piaz, cooked well. Add some carrot to haramirchin, cooked well. Half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon kali merkin, mix well. 1 teaspoon mustard powder, 1 teaspoon kiri lal mirch, 1 teaspoon namak, mix well. 1 teaspoon listen paste, mix well. Two tablespoon maida, cooked well. Boiled chicken 125 gram. Mix well. Chicken stock yakni, cooked well. Take it out. Batter is ready. Let it cool. Faragania. Mix well. Add breadcrumbs and batter. Mix well. Grease oil in hands. Make kebabs. All kebabs are done. Fry it. Deep fry. Fry well. All fried. Yummy chicken croquettes. Take it out. Crispy chicken croquettes. So delicious. Cooked by Shabina. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.